on my grandpa's farm. I was thirsting for knowledge. He had more. Yeah, I was caught somewhere between a woman and a child. One restless summer we found love growing wild. Year after year I come back to this place just to remember the taste. Strawberry wine, 17, the hot July moon, so everything. First taste of love, whoa, bittersweet, beyond the line, like strawberry wine. I still remember when I was old. My biggest fear was September, when he had to go. Because and little been on a long distance call, drifted away like the leaves in the fall. Year after year I come back to this place just to remember the taste. Strawberry wine, 17, the hot July moon, so everything. The first taste of love, whoa, bittersweet, beyond the line, like the strawberry wine. We've grown older now, years since they seem to pass. There's nothing time hasn't changed. Was it really here or the loss of my innocence? I've been missing so much, yeah. Strawberry wine, 17, the hot July moon, saw everything. My first taste of love, whoa, bittersweet, beyond the line, like strawberry wine, 17, the hot July moon, saw everything. My first taste of love, whoa, bittersweet, beyond the line, like strawberry wine. Next song we're going to do tonight is a wee song called Ulster Sailed West. I'm sick of digging, sick of scraping in this dirt. I'm tired of hoping, tired of watching all this hurt.